The Hague while awaiting trial for crimes against humanity. Mr. President, my decision is not a judgment on the merits of the case. The charges will be heard and decided by the proper tribunal. Rather, my vote is guided by humanitarian considerations. Former President Duterte is now 80 years old. According to reports, his health is deteriorating. Hindi po ito unang beses sa ating kasaysayan na tayo ay naging mahinahon at makatao sa dati nating mga Pangulo. Noong 2001, si dating Pangulong Joseph Estrada ay pinayagang manatili sa house arrest. Ganon din po si dating Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo na pinayagan sa hospital arrest dahil sa kanyang kalagayan noon. In granting the same to former President Duterte, we are not excusing accountability, Mr. President. As a nation that values compassion and respect for human dignity, kahit pa po sa mga akusado, we must show the world that justice is not driven by vengeance, but by fairness and humanity. Hindi po natin hinihingi ni walang sala siya sa kanyang mga nagawa. Tama po, sa libo-libo nating kababayan. We cannot just close our eyes. What we want, we are simply affirming compassion without abandoning justice, Mr. President. The law must be firm, yes, but it must be also be humane. Maraming salamat po. May